I don't care if you're joining for the discount. I don't care if you're joining for the income or just to have something to do. They couldn't have told me the love I feel from this company.
What Scentsy brings to me is just this sense of self, this sense of knowing who I am and what I want and where I'm going, and that there is this whole family of people who support and love me for that.
It's just amazing to see how a community of people that you don't know will rally around you. It doesn't matter what it is. I can just say I'm sick, I just had a bad day. Somebody's gonna come to my rescue. A Scentsy consultant that I don't even know will come to my rescue and say, it's gonna be okay.
They couldn't have told me about the friends that I've made that are priceless, that have lifted me up and made me the person that I am today. They couldn't have told me the difference it was gonna make for my family to see me go after my dreams.
For me, Scentsy has given me the freedom to make choices for my family. And that's something I could have never anticipated when I hit that join button 6.5 years ago.